Tap your paw. Magic. Let's learn.
Hello, I'm Cat Pitter. Today we'll learn about family. This is my mum. She is very kind. This is my dad. He is very strong. This is the baby. So tiny and adorable. This is my sister. She loves to play. This is my brother. He is very funny. This is my grandma. She bakes yummy cakes. This is my grandpa. He tells great stories. This is my aunt. She is very sweet. This is my uncle. He is very helpful. Great job! Now you know the family!
Stay tuned. See you in the next episode.